Nothing like the porta potty and a concrete truck on a Friday afternoon. So we got our 3 pieces of rebar. Our rebar bends and goes through the steps. It's 3 feet wide, a foot deep. That's mainly because of these wall heights up here. 13 feet tall up here. Yo! So what we do first is we pour our bulkheads so that when you pour up here, all of it won't run out underneath because it would just keep running all the way down. So what you do is you fill up your bulkhead first and you let it set up just a tad bit, enough to where it'll hold it, and then you come back and pour it up to the grate stakes. See how it wants to run down, so they'll keep filling it until it stops running out the bottom. Now this is a pump mix. So the pump mix is designed with plasticizers that make it easier to flow through the pump. So if you think the concrete is runny, it's not water. It's the way they designed the pump mix. As you can see, it's stiffer than you think because it's holding up the bulkheads.